The Treehouse by Cynthia Platt. Kodi, Alo, Sandy, Rhea, and Peck were going to build a treehouse at the kids' club. They all stood together on the ground looking at the tree. Everyone was excited. They couldn't wait to begin. But even though they were ready, one big question remained. How do you build a treehouse? Kodi asked. Let's start with the plan, Peck told her. We can brainstorm ideas, Rhea suggested. Then we'll know more about what we want. I think we should make a tree castle, Alo exclaimed. Tree castle? What's that look like? Peck said. Like this. It can have flowers all around, Alo pointed at his drawing, and a fountain in front of it. That sounded fun. However, it also seemed very difficult to make. We didn't bring any stones to make a castle. But I have another idea, Kodi exclaimed. Let's make a treehouse with a bouncy house inside it. How would we do that? Asked Rhea. I don't know, Kodi said, but it sounds cool. I doubt we could fit a bouncy house in that tree, Rhea said. What do you have in mind for the treehouse? Sandy asked. I think we should build ourselves a tree library, Rhea replied, with comfy chairs surrounded by books. That sounds too heavy, Sandy frowned. The treehouse would fall down. Do you have a plan, Sandy? Peck asked. Of course, Sandy replied. Let's build a treehouse with a skateboarding ramp on the outside. Wow, that seems dangerous, Rhea replied. Those ideas all sound so cool, Peck told them, but they also sound too hard to build. Maybe we should keep it simple for now, Alo agreed. I think we need something like a bird's nest, Peck said, with a strong foundation and a sturdy tree house on top of it. That is a great plan, Kodi said. Everyone else agreed too. So they drew up a layout and began to build the foundation. It was hard work. First they ran out of wood, then their hammer broke. Sandy even got a huge splinter. Ouch, she howled. Somehow the treehouse came together though. They were all so proud of what they had built. Let's all climb up and have an ice cream party, Peck suggested. They played in the treehouse until sundown, and then made plans on what to build next. Space Rocks by Cynthia Platt. Rhea went to the library and took out 5 books about asteroids and meteors. It turns out that bits and pieces of them can fall to the Earth and are called meteorites. Oh boy, Rhea exclaimed. I want to find a piece of rock from outer space. Sandy and Peck agreed to join her on a hunt for space rocks. Look for dark rocks lying on top of the soil, Rhea explained. Meteorites are heavy and might have metal in them. Then let's bring a magnet, Sandy said. They toiled all afternoon and found many rocks. Some of them were hard, and some were soft. Some of them were shiny like a coin, and some were dull. They found rocks in every color of the rainbow. But not one space rock. They were all feeling disappointed and even a little bit annoyed they hadn't found anything. Maybe we should go home, said Sandy. Or maybe we need a different strategy, Peck suggested. I'll try to spot space rocks from above. That's a good idea, Rhea said. Peck flew around for a while and then he pointed out a small black rock to them. Wow, exclaimed Sandy. I wonder if it's a meteorite. Let's do some tests to see, replied Rhea. After Peck washed the soil off the rock with some water, it shined in the sun. Then Rhea took out the magnet. Look, Rhea rejoiced. The rock is sticking to the magnet. That means there's metal in it. That's amazing, Peck cheered. Is our rock heavy like a space rock? Asked Peck. I'll hold it in one paw, said Sandy, and hold another rock that's the same size in my other paw to compare their weights. The black rock was much heavier than the other rock. They were overjoyed. Their rock might really be from outer space. I think it's from Mars, Rhea said. No, it's definitely from the moon, Peck added. I think it's from the far reaches of the galaxy, Sandy said in an excited voice. My mom can help us figure out what this rock really is, Rhea told them. Maybe it's not even from an asteroid or a meteor, Sandy said. Even if it's not, I still enjoy looking for it, Rhea replied, and imagining what it might be. Today rocked, Peck cheered.